Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: MNRE has issued revised benchmark cost for solar systems. Andhra Pradesh to procure 7,000 megawatt from Solar Energy Corporation of India for free agriculture power. Tata's solar projects in Jharkhand and Odisha. Coming to the details. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has issued a downward revision of benchmark costs, excluding taxes for decentralized and off-grid solar systems for financial year 2021-22. The revised benchmark cost for standalone solar pumps ranges from 96,877 rupees to 4,69,054 rupees for general category states. For the northeastern states, hill states, islands, and union territories, the benchmark costs hover around 1,05,509 rupees to 5,11,202 rupees. The amended benchmark cost for solarization of grid-connected agricultural pump also applies to general category states, northeastern states, hilly states, islands, and union territories. For solarization of grid-connected agricultural pumps, the benchmark cost is in the range of 37,649 rupees to 44,352 per kilowatt for various categories. The amended benchmark cost for solar study lamps for the financial year 2021-22 is 376 rupees per system. Also, the revised benchmark cost for solar lamps with lithium-ion batteries has been reduced to 13,039 rupees per system. The revised benchmark cost for standalone solar power projects and battery packs is in the range of 50 to 86 per watt for general states and 55 to 94 rupees per watt for other states up to the maximum capacity of 25 kilowatt. The revised benchmark cost will be applicable from August 18, 2021. The amended benchmark cost include total cost of the system and its installation, commissioning, transportation, insurance, warranty, monitoring and maintenance for the 5 years. MNRE has stated that the applicable GST rates may be added to the benchmark cost for the purpose of central financial assistance. The Andhra Pradesh State Cabinet has approved the proposal to enter into an agreement with Solar Energy Corporation of India to procure 7,000 megawatt solar power for providing free 9-hour power to the farmers. The agreement will be signed for a supply of power at 2 rupees 49 paisa per unit for 25 years on a sustainable basis. About 17,000 million units will be procured according to the officials, as agriculture demand stands at about 20 to 26% of the total demand of 66,000 million units of annual demand of the state. The supply will be done in phased manner and is likely to be started in 2023-24. As per the government statement, estimated savings per annum would be 2,000 crore rupees. The two flagship companies of Tata Group have signed a power purchase agreement for 25 years to set up 41 megawatt solar project, which will be a combination of rooftop, floating and ground mounted solar panels. Under the PPA at Jamshedpur, Tata Power will develop rooftop PV with 7.57 megawatt capacity, while floating and ground mounted capacity would be 10.8 and 3.6 megawatt respectively. The ground-mounted PV will be installed at Sonari Airport, Jamshedpur. Kalinganagar will have 9.12 megawatt rooftop PV capacities and floating PV will constitute 10.1 megawatt. The estimated energy generation through 41.19 megawatt solar project is 6 crores 2 lakhs 80,095 units for the first year. During its lifetime for 25 years, the total generation would be 140 crores 93 lakhs 61,488 units. The project will help save 45,210 tons of carbon dioxide per year and 10,57,021 tons during its lifetime 25 years. Additional news today: 87 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 105 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 7 days. NTPC declares commercial operation of 17.5 megawatt of 100 megawatt Ramagundam floating solar PV project. Toyota Kirloskar Motor has achieved 100% renewable energy use at its manufacturing facility with 26 megawatt solar PV installations. Infosys and BP joined hands to develop and energy as a service solution to help business improve the energy efficiency and meet their decarbonization goals. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 172.33 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 94 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 78 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 45 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 43 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 58 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day ahead market, 2.48 million units of volume cleared with weighted average price of 3 rupees 70 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.